Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Good afternoon. Welcome to Pakistani American News Channel. Kesser Mustafa from New York. President Donald Trump picks investment banker Warren Stephens as UK ambassador. President-elect Donald Trump has nominated businessman Warren Stephens to serve as America's ambassador to the United Kingdom. Warren has always dreamed of serving the United States full time. President Donald Trump said in a statement on Truth Social, "I am thrilled that he will now have that opportunity as the top diplomat representing the USA to one of America's most cherished and beloved allies." Stephens, who is CEO of private Arkansas-based investment bank Stephens Inc., donated millions to President Donald Trump's re-election campaign this year. If his nomination is successful, Stephens will help to maintain the so-called special relationship between the US and the UK. The two countries maintain close military intelligence and cultural ties. President Donald Trump has vowed to rework the US relationships abroad, vowing to implement an America First ethos to foreign policies. The role of US ambassador to the UK is one of the most coveted diplomatic positions, and presidents have been known to bestow the role of prominent backers. During his first term in office, President Donald Trump appointed Woody Johnson, a top Republican donor and owner of the American football team, the New York Jets, as UK ambassador. Barack Obama chose longtime Democratic Party fundraiser and lawyer Louis Sussman as his first emissary to the UK, or the Court of St. James. Stephens did not always back President Donald Trump's candidates. However, in 2016, when President Donald Trump first ran for president, Stephens donated about $4 million to political groups that sought to stop President Donald Trump's ascent. The Arkansas Democrat Gazette reported at the time. The investment banker also donated over $2 million to a political action committee that supported former UN Ambassador Nikki Haley as she unsuccessfully ran for president in 2024. The campaign finance watchdog Open Secrets found. Thanks for watching Pakistani American News Channel.